第一集咧，我已經打到出神入化㗎啦，唔怪得，閃，我閃。大家好，我係蚊龍啦，今日咧我就會打呢個 game 叫做 Space Marines Warhammer 40,000 Space Marines 2第二集。咁第一集咧我已經打到出神入化㗎啦。咁我好中意 Space Marines 嘅，咁啊呢個 IP 咧係一個英國嘅 IP 嚟嘅。The galaxy spanning imperium of man is best on all sides by hostile or beset on all sides。好，睇下個 control 點 work 先，行前啦。呢度 OK， 用右 look around with my right stick，OK cool。哇，做得好好啊！咁啊，第一集嗰啲 graphics 已經好好啦，我覺得。哇，而家去咗新一代嘅 platform 仲勁。Oh no！Come on， 過嚟啊 ！Gotta do this move。Come at me。Come get some。花都唔放過啊！一錘打落去。carry 唔到嘅，睇嚟會瓜啦，唔瓜得，閃，我閃，唔得。Man, I suck. All right, let's do it again.